Have you ever struggled with boring default railings in Revit? What if I told you that you can design your own unique baluster railing, customized to match any project style? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a custom baluster railing in Revit from scratch, even if you are a beginner. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be adding professional eye-catching railings to your design with ease. Hello, welcome to Novel Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button, let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Create new family file. Click on new. Select metric baluster. Open it. Click on family types. You can adjust the baluster height here. The default height is 750 millimeters. I'll be using 700. Click OK. Click on extrusion. Click on name. Reference plane, center left and right. Click OK. Now let's gauge the baluster. The height, I'm going to use 50 millimeters. Offset it. Here we use 50 millimeters also. Offset 50 millimeters. Erase this. Now join the line. Select it and copy down here. Finish it. Click on front elevation. For the extrusion end 50. Extrusion start minus 50. Okay, it's centralized now. Click on left view. Open it. Click on create. This time around we are going to use revolve. Open it. Change the work plane to name. Reference plane center left right. Click OK. Now we are going to sketch the shape of the baluster here with the line tool. You can make any sketch of your choice. Let me come up with something simple. When you're done, trim it. Then click on axis line. Use the pick line and pick this center line. Then finish it. Let's view it in 3D. Now you can select it and add materials to it. Go to the property dialog, click on it. Right click and create a new material. Let's change this to baluster. Open the asset browser. Here you can change the material. Let me use this. Click OK. Let me change it to realistic color. Alright, this looks great. If you have any question or any contribution, kindly drop it in the comment section. If there is any step you do not understand, you are free to leave it in the comment section. I will explain it better. Now we are going to create the railing, the top and the base railing. For us to do that, we are going to create it with a new railing family. Click on File, New, Family. Scroll down to Metric Profile. Open it. Now we are going to sketch the top railing. Click on Line. I'm going to use 50 millimeters for the height. Then I will offset it. Let me use 60. offset 60, 60. You can modify it any how you want to. Just use the line tool. Now select it and mirror it to this other side. Let me add something here. Copy it, then mirror to this other side. Okay, it's done. We are going to create new family for the base. Create new family. We're still going to use that metric profile. Now let's gauge the same thing. I'm still going to use 50 millimeters for the height. Offset 60. Okay, we are done. We are going to import this family to the project. And please, if you've not yet subscribed to our channel, go now and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our tutorials. Now click File. We are going to open a new project. You can still load it into your existing project, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to load it into a new project. Metric architecture templates, open. Now click Close Inactive Views. Click on it. Now you need to open those family we created and load into the project. So let's start with this. Now click Load into Project and close. Okay, load into Project 1. Of course, we need to save it. I'll save it to desktop, Baluster, save. Now the second one, this is the top rail. Load into project and close. Save it, top rail. Now the base rail. Load into project and close. Save it. Now click on railing. Then click on edit type. Duplicate it. You can rename this if you wish. Use railing 1. Now click on rail structure. Edit. Here we are going to insert the top and the base rail. So insert 2 columns. The first one rename to top rail. Then base rail for the second one. For the height of the top rail, I'll use 700. Then the profile, I'll change it to top rail. For the base rail, I'll do the same thing. Change to base rail. You can change the material. I'll use the same material with the baluster. Click OK. Now, baluster placement. Click on Edit. For the host, change it to base rail. For the top, change it to top rail. Then the baluster family, change it to baluster, the one we created. Now distance from previous, that's the space in between both of them. I'll be using 250. Break pattern at each segment. I'll leave it. Then justify by spread pattern to fit. Uncheck use baluster per thread on stairs. Over here, let's change all of them to balusters. The host will change all of them to base rail. Now the top, change all of them to top rail. Click OK. Now uncheck use top rail. Uncheck it and click OK. Now you can sketch the path that you want the railing to cover. Let me have something like this. Then finish it. You can as well save it and use in any of your projects. That is how to create a baluster in Revit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or contribution, drop it in the comment section. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll be notified each time we post an interesting video like this. Thank you.